Mr. By the Mile, what is going on, you guys? It's 6 p.m. right now. Your home in knowledge and experience for the red pill, trucking, and survival. Question I get asked a lot also, as you all know, I just did a video on my year to date, 19 and a half weeks behind the wheel, 25 days in total I've taken off, just short of 6 months, right? But I was asked how many hours a day do I work? So here we go. On average, man, between 10 and 11 hours a day. Okay, understand? And now today is the first day, February 2nd, $100 per tarp load. Whee! So that's cool, man. So I just made $100 on this load. Deadhead miles were 254, so bust out your calculators. Do 254 miles times 51 cents a mile, right? And then add 100, that's what I made today. I don't know what that is. I'll do it after this video. But yeah, understand at the beginning, okay, in the beginning, you guys, it's a learning process, right? It took me, about a month before I went and got myself a fourth tarp and cut it up in a way that would work out so I wouldn't always have to use all 3 tarps. Work smarter, not harder in this job. Honestly, you guys, common sense in this industry goes a long way when it comes to flatbed, and it's gonna make or break you. If you're finding that you're working, way past 12 hours every day, you're doing something extremely wrong. Okay, my first month, I worked 15, 16 hours, like a total of 2 days that I did that, because I was still working out the bugs of tarping. It's when it comes to tarping mostly, or if you have a sketchy load where it takes a little maneuvering with the strap to be able to support what's on the deck properly, so it's not often you get loads like that, and they're not going to take no damn 15 hours. Okay, when I'm ending my weeks, I usually have 8 hours left on my 70 hour, okay? And the other part to this, it also depends on whether you think sleeping in your truck is hours or not, okay? If you consider it hours, then this isn't worth it for you. Stop watching the videos and don't think about OTR at all. I don't think about trucking at all. You know what I'm saying? But the payout with that is seeing all this beautiful scenery, meeting all kinds of great people, and stacking that money. I mean, here I am already getting ready to buy a house really, really soon. So that's all that really matters, that you're providing for the ones that you love. If you have kids and a woman, if you're single, shit, man, this is still gonna be fun, believe me. So yeah, on average I work, and I don't consider it working, man. I love this. This is great. Right now it's about 48 degrees. I got on my windbreaker and a t-shirt underneath, man. So I mean, it depends whether you're cut out for the job too, Yeah, layer your clothing properly, right? Learn how to do that. Maybe I'll make a video on that soon, how to layer your clothing. It doesn't take a whole lot to stay warm, man. It really doesn't, especially when you're moving like this, it's all good. I started my day today at 7 a.m., 7:15, and it's 6 p.m. and I'm done, and I'm making a video right now, so there that is. I'm gonna put that away. That's my third tarp that I didn't have to use, because the one that I cut, well, it's in the middle, right? Covering maybe like 8 feet, right? That's all I need. I'll need to roll out another freaking, another 20 feet. What I got to do that for? I got plenty of overlap from one tarp to the other, so I'm going to be fine driving through Wyoming. I'm in Madras, Oregon right now. You guys probably watched my video from earlier, which I'll link down below. So, yeah, man. I mean, when it comes to tarping, max after getting used to the job, 12 hours in a day. But like I said, that's still rare. I mean, today, here I am for like the 4th or 5th week in a row, not even going to 12 hours. Like I said, most of the time I'm left with about 8-9 hours on my 70-hour clock. So I hope that answers your question. I hope it's been informative. Make sure that you smash the like button if you want to find out where I'm working and be a part of the team that is now paying $100 per load to tarp. Come on through, man. Like I said, for those 4 recruits that I got coming in, man, 2 of you in school right now, we already, we exchanged numbers, so cool. I'll be helping you out with your loads, and if I don't know what the hell you've got, I'm gonna find out for you. So that's cool. And you guys are gonna be going out with trainers, it looks like, except for you with experience. I think Riley, you said you already have some experience, right? So you're gonna be out on your own pretty quick, right after orientation. So cool, man. But yeah, there it is. I mean, the Lotus tarp, it's done. I'm not lying. Like I said, started at about 7:15, drove that 254 miles, and here I am getting ready to roll out and shut down and roll out in the morning. Getting ready to roll out in the morning, all done. All strapped, all tarped. I'm gonna roll up this last tarp that I've got, you know what I'm saying? Well, not roll it up, I mean, it's already rolled up. Just gotta put it away. But I thought I was gonna use that one. Turns out I don't, so. Yeah, man, I mean, you still work out bugs every day. It just doesn't take you as long, you know what I'm saying? So, the smarter that you are, the more advice that you seek as you obtain your experience in this business is going to decide whether you last in flatbed or not. And that doesn't just go with flatbed, although, it's a lot bigger and more important to be an efficient, smart worker, because that determines how fast you move than most other jobs, but if you're willing to learn and you're a good listener, you'll go far. You got common sense? Be all right, man. So, hope it's been informative, man. Make sure you smash that like button for putting this knowledge out there, you guys. Based on my experience, I would appreciate it if you subscribed and hit the bell so you get notifications when I come out with future videos. Sorry, I'm kind of talking like a robot right now. I'm just, you guys, just trying to push this out so I can get going. I decided to stop, and as you can see, I answer questions as fast as possible. This is a second job for me that I love doing, talking to you guys. Straight up, man. So, anyways, thank you guys also. The 4 of you have used my driver code. Appreciate that very much. For you guys in the future that are thinking of coming over, hit me with an email. I respond quickly. Leave a comment below. Tell me about your experience as you get started, as you're starting, as you're in school, all that stuff, man. I want to hear about it. So, you've been watching Mr. By the Mile. Your home for knowledge and experience in trucking, the red pill, and survival. All you guys, take care, stay safe. All you new truckers, veteran truckers, see you on the road.